A financial company is planning to use the Gemini model as the primary decision engine for automating loan application approvals and rejections. This system must operate based on strict, predefined requirements. From a technical design perspective, why is this considered an inappropriate application for an LLM?
The options are as follows. Option A. The implementation is excessively costly and architecturally complicated. Option B. LLMs are built for probabilistic inference, while this task requires a rigid deterministic engine. Option C. The architecture lacks the capability to interpret structured financial data. Option D. It is technically impossible to connect an LLM to external banking or loan databases.
To evaluate this, consider the fundamental design patterns used in enterprise software. Some tasks rely on predictable, Boolean logic, where an input must yield the same output every time. Other tasks leverage generative models designed to handle ambiguity and natural language. Understanding the architectural intent of the technology is key to determining if it is the right fit for a specific business process.
I believe the correct answer is option B. Large language models like Gemini are probabilistic systems. They operate by predicting patterns, which introduces variability. A loan system requires high consistency to satisfy legal, audit, and compliance standards. Because Gemini is designed for generative and flexible tasks, it cannot guarantee the rigid, deterministic output required by strict financial business rules, making it fundamentally unsuited for this specific role. Options A, C, and D are incorrect. They focus on implementation challenges, such as cost or connectivity, which can be managed with proper engineering. Gemini is actually capable of interpreting structured data like JSON and integrating with external databases. Therefore, those options describe solvable technical hurdles rather than the core architectural limitation presented by the nature of the model's output generation.
As an exam tip, always look for the difference between a fundamental architectural limitation and a temporary implementation challenge. When a question describes a requirement for strict, predefined rules, prioritize answers that address the nature of the decision-making logic, rather than logistical issues like cost or integration, which are usually solvable with standard cloud infrastructure practices.